What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the engine air filter in a 2025 Honda HR-V. This HR-V has the 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement engine air filters if you're in need. So as you can see, we're already looking at our engine bay. If we look off to the driver's side, this item right here is going to be the air box. This is what houses the engine air filter. So there's 2 clips we need to undo, one here and one right here. After we get those 2 clips undone, we can pick up on this filter like this. Or excuse me, pick up on the air box and then get to our filter like this. And this filter may look a little different from yours. This is a K&N air filter, so instead of replacing this, you just wash it, but it'll be the same procedure if you're using a regular filter or this. So once we get our filter out, it's a good idea if you have any extra dirt or debris in your airbox to get that all cleaned out, either with a shop vac or even like a rag. Once you get the airbox as clean as you can, we'll put our new filter in with this rubber gasket piece on the top. And because the shape of it, it'll only go in there one way. Then we'll put this airbox back down, and there's 2 tabs, one right here and one right here, that are gonna fit in that slot and that slot right there. So that's what you'll need to kind of line up. So get those lined up, and once that's on there, we'll just flip these clips back shut, and that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.